Hello guys, my name is Ashish and today we'll talk about the interesting and important features in our Solidity language. Okay, and the thing is that the important feature name is event. Okay, so before I explore or discuss about event, okay, I just you need to know a simple process that first of all you just need to write a smart contract in Solidity language. Then you also need to have an app front end so that our user can interact with our applications. Okay, so now if I talk about the event, so basically event are a way, okay, for our contract, okay, to communicate with our app front end. Okay, and the interesting thing is that it's going to help us to know that something is really happening in our blockchain. Okay, and even we can listen that particular event in our front end side with the help of event. Okay, so now let's first make a file and see how we can use the event in our Solidity language. Okay, so now let's first make a file name event.swl. Then let's comment out the license first, then pragma solidity version and contract. I'm taking name example. So let's see how we can declare event in our smart contract. So the process is very simple. First of all, you just need to specify the event keyword, and we need to take a name. I'm just taking the name, let's say integer added, and we need to take some parameters as you wish. Okay, and I'm taking an unsigned, okay, my bad, unsigned integer x, unsigned integer y, and also another unsigned integer name will be result. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna trace with the help of this event. Okay, and I'm going to pass two parameters, x and y, and I'm gonna get the result, addition result of these two parameters. Okay, now let's see how we can trigger or we can fire event. Okay, so basically let's say we want we want to write a function. Okay, so the function name is add. Okay, so basically what we'll be doing that we make this event so that if anyone call this function, okay, so that we can know that someone is calling this function from our front end side. Okay, so the thing is very simple, we just want to track that someone is calling this function from our front end side. Okay, so for that reason I made this event. Okay, the name is integer added, and the function will be taking as usual two parameters, one is x, another one is unsigned integer y, and we are just going to simply add this to variable, and I'm gonna make this public, and I'm going to return some unsigned integer. Okay, so let's declare an unsigned integer first, the name will be result, and this process is very simple. I'm going to add this to variable x and y. Okay, so now let's see how we can trigger or fire our event. Okay, so the process is very simple. There is a keyword. Okay, we just need to use keyword first. The keyword name is emit. Okay, then we just need to specify the name of the event, integer added, and then we need to pass the parameters and the result. Okay, according to our according to what I declared, okay, in this event. Okay, so that is the thing, the first parameter, this is second parameter, and this is third parameter, our result. Okay, so that is the thing, and finally we can return the result for this function. The result will be return result. Okay, so basically why the thing is that why we're doing like this. Okay, so we want to trace from our front end side that someone is calling this function. That's why we are taking this type of event, and when someone will be calling this function, we can trace that someone is calling this function from our front end side. Okay, with the help of this event. Okay, that's why we're just doing this. And yeah, you can also write your own event for a particular work. Okay, for a particular function. Okay, so that is the way. Okay, we can use event in our smart contract, and yeah, and definitely we'll be exploring a lot about the event in the upcoming video. Okay, when we'll be making our front end side, we'll be connecting our front end side with our smart contract with the help of web3.js library and ether.js library. Okay, so yeah, definitely we're going to explore this a lot in the upcoming video. And yeah, that's all for today's video, and thank you for watching, and yeah, bye bye, see you very soon.